Barbie is going to be doing my makeup today on IGTV. So this is going to be like a look that you guys can go on a perfect first date with, okay? So who do we have here that's going to be curling today?
And here I am with Janique Rasco.
You heard it there. So she's about to curl my wig, honey, but I'm going to have to hold it because she's slipping a little bit. But she's about to curl my hair and everything, and then Barbie's going to do my makeup, and yeah. So I'm ready to see how this is going to look.
Friday, so
Say hi to my vlog, Mom.
hi people.
Say, how are you doing today?
How's everyone's Friday going? Hope everyone's having an amazing day, living life fuller, and living with no regrets.
Okay guys, so we are here at the salon, and look, they offer mimosas. That's how you get a brow, bitch. Wow, it's so fucking flawless, Barbie. Look. Round two, boo. I'ma say no, it's like I never said. It takes a boss to keep a resting bitch face. Okay guys, so we're done the makeup. We're about to take down this hair.
I'ma hold it down.
Crazy on.
Girl, you go ahead and take mine off.
So guys, now we are outside about to take some pictures.
Buying like 5 or 6 packs up. So yeah, that's for you. Come give me
Thank you
one.
so much.
Keep your horse.
Guys, I made a new friend today. She is so sweet. She did my hair today and we just continuously talked about the Lord today.
Oh yeah.
It's just crazy how God aligns things, but I'm gonna put all her information at the end of this video. But yeah, so you guys are gonna see this face more often. Yes, and look at this word that she gave me today, guys. She gave me these beautiful prayer cards and I'm just gonna make sure I use these every day.
Right,
Thank you so much. Okay guys, so this is the finished look of everything. So I just got back in the house. I just laid down a little bit because I had cramps. A bitch period just came on. Like,
Ew, why are you doing
Why can't I tell them that I'm on the
Stinks.
period?
That's fine.
Stop lying. You need to stop saying stuff like that.
Stinks. Bad. It's alright.
Anyway, but yeah, guys. So we're about to. I don't know what we're about to do. So make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe if you like this video.